Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a pegboard pin board. I've been redesigning my home office because I really need to be inspired throughout the day as a creative. So I created this board so that I could have things in display, a place to store things and that it looks good as like an accent wall. So if you like it, subscribe and ring that notification bell. Just so you know, this is not going to be the only video about my home office. I'm going to redo my desk because it's looking kind of shabby. Stay tuned. These are the supplies you'll need to make the pegboard bulletin board. A hanging toolkit for 50 pounds or 30 pounds at least. A few pieces of cordboard. If you want, you can get nails too. And these are pieces of wood from my son's toddler bed from IKEA. I'll be using that instead of buying wood. You can also buy wood from Home Depot or any other place where you can buy wood in your area. And these two pegboards I bought from Amazon. I'll link it down below. I prefer to use the plastic ones because they're less heavy and it'll be good to attach to this wood. A foam paintbrush, a small paintbrush, and you can use any paint that you like. I prefer to use chalk paint in this color in pink, as Victorian pink. Anyway, I'm going for a different type of look where it doesn't look like fully painted. So now that the paint is dry, it took like 2 hours, more like 2.5 hours. I'm going to adhere these pegboard to the planks. I'm gonna do two of these, one here and then another one right below it. And the top and bottom are going to be used for art, hanging art, pinning art, and stuff like that. Okay. So let me get to it. Attach the plastic pegboard to the board by using 4 screws, 1 on each side. This was not that hard. Probably shouldn't have done this way, but I use one of the boards as my guide for measuring the bulletin board and cutting it. I did measure the length of the pieces that I needed. The cork boards came with this adhesive that I put on the back of each of the boards. I don't think it was enough. It's the next day now, and all I have to do is hang it up and put everything on it. So I just put the hanging hardware on it, and I was on my way to finishing. It took 3 tries for me to get this on the wall, so I was very happy when I was done. I started to arrange the items as I wanted them on the board, looking at each item and stepping back to see what worked. I want to make it sure that it doesn't fall. Right now it's good. It stayed like this overnight. So yeah, I'm just gonna use some Gorilla mounting tape, not this one. I'm just gonna use some Gorilla mounting tape, and I'm gonna tape the edges. And I also wanted to add this to it because I think it'll look cute and it matches like the aesthetic I'm going for, which is eclectic. Now that I'm done, I just wanted to explain everything that's on my wall. Here I have some pictures of friends, being with friends. This was like a note to myself, which I appreciate. It's a good reminder. This is like a vintage container that I got a long time ago. I just wanted to place it here. It's filled with like pencils and colored pencils. This is a little tiny camera that was from my son, but I just like the quality because it looks kind of oldish, and I'm gonna use it. Here I have this, which was repurposed from another part of my living room. I got it from, what is this store? I'll put it on screen because I forgot. This is a fake plant. It's not heavy, thankfully. And I got it from, man, I'm forgetting where I'm getting stuff from, but I think it was Target. I got it from Target. And here we go. This was, I bought from a long time ago from Tuesday. I'll put her name in the description box. Obviously I have pencils here. I don't really need this. I think I have to make sure that it's affixed to the wall a little better. And I'll do that, you know, by the time you guys see my next video on this subject. Actually, these are some art, some of it I created, like that. This I got from a workshop that I created, and that I created. I was in a phase where I just wanted to do typography type of things. Anyway, that's what's on my pegboard, bulletin board. This you can actually, this is part of the bulletin board too, just so you know. So you can tag things to it. Anyway, that's that. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you soon. Make sure you click that subscribe button, wherever it is, and ring the notification bell. Ring it, ring it, ring it, ring it, ring it, ring it. And what else? Like if you like, and you know, recommend this channel to other people, because the more you do, the more I do, and I'm inspired. Anyway, bye guys, see you next time.